Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how you can share your doc files in an email, for example via Gmail. So let's get started. Now in the first step, head over to Google Docs and let's say you have been working on a document like that here, a job resume for instance. Now guys, the fastest way to share your document via email would be to simply click on that file button here in the top left corner and to select download from that drop-down menu, and then to save your document, for example in Microsoft Word format on your computer, so that you may attach that file to an email you would like to send via Gmail. So to do that, head over to Gmail, to your inbox, and then click on that compose button here in the top left corner. Enter the email address of your recipient here. Below that, enter a subject, like for example document or Word file XYZ, and then guys, simply click on that paperclip icon here at the bottom to attach your document to your email. So upload it from your computer, and last but not least, click on send here to send that email with the attached document file to your recipient. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.